Pen Code, where we'll be writing code using the Java programming language. Today, what we'll be doing is we'll be talking about the Java user input. Um, Now, in Java, the scanner class is what is used to get users input, and it is found in the Java library. Now, for us to be able to use the scanner class, what we need to do is that we need to create an object of the class, and after we've created the object, we can now use the available method that is present in that class to do what we want to do, that is to get the input from the user. Now, note that in some environment you need to type import, manually like that to import the library. But for IntelliJ, all we need to do is just to type scanner and it's going to import it for us. Now, I would like us to recall what we've done so far. We've talked about comments, so let's type in something here just to let us know what we're doing. So this is to get users input. All right, that is it. And then we are using the scanner class. I'll type scanner. Now, if you look at the top here, something is going to happen as soon as I select scanner. You see, it imports it directly, and then we need to create an object for it. For me, I'll say is my obj, and then because is that we just call the new scanner, and then in that bracket we'll call it system dot now, and then we'll end that line of code with a semicolon. And after we've done that, what we need to do now, we need to inform the user to do something. And what we need to do in that means we need to print onto the screen. And we've done that in our last class. And what we need to do is to use the system dot out dot print. And in here, what do we want? We say enter your name. Let's be polite and said, please enter your name. Now, what this does is that as soon as we run this program, it will ask the user to enter his or her name. And that's what we're doing now. Look, it said enter your name. But if we try to enter our name, it won't work because we've not actually assigned this object to our string. So what we need to do now, we need to create a string, and then we say that will be like my name, and we'll need to call this, which is the object. We need to call it because I said what we need to do, we need to use that, we need to create an object of that class and use any available method in scanner because that's the object. And if we put dot, you can say these are all the available method, but the method where we'll be using it will be the next line. I will end that. So if we run this, what it will have is a please enter your name, and then we can say James, and that's ended. So that means it has taken the input from us, and also we can print that name James onto the screen, and by doing that we just say system dot out dot print, and then we just say my name. And if we run this, we say enter your name, and we say Paul, and it prints it out for us, Paul. So that is all you need to know about input, user input in Java. And this is where I'm going to end the video for today. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to leave a comment. Until I come your way with another video, it's bye for now.